Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my report card of PT exam and I'm going to explain you how to get these marks in your PT exam. As of my experience, I'm going to share you how you can get lots of marks in every component in PT. So if you think you are not good in speaking, reading, listening or writing, don't think much, don't worry about that. I will be showing you the correct instruction, tips and tricks which will help you to gain marks or boost your marks. You can see here I have got 88 overall. If you think you can score 90 overall also. It is not that impossible because the way I have obtained in my exam, I have attempted my exam. It is so easy for me by following tips and tricks. Look, I will be sharing you whatever I have used in PT exam. Okay, at first many of them has speaking is main problem, used to get less marks in speaking, and reading also some of them they used to get less marks due to fill in the blanks, right? If you think yourself that I'm not good in fill in the blanks, then it is not a big problem. You can get in much more marks in fill in the blanks also. I will be showing you the main points and the reasons why you are getting less marks in speaking at first, and then I will be going to reading, listening and writing. Okay, now you can see here reason I just wrote that time only. Fast speaking. Okay, in speaking you used to speak so fast because some of your friend, like female friend, mainly female friend, they used to speak so fast, still they are getting good marks in real PT exam. Okay, but it is not like that guys. If your voice is, every people's have different voice and different way of speaking, so the marks will be different, right? So you have to prepare on your own way. If you are not getting much more marks in speed speaking speed or fast speaking, then please speak in moderate way or normal way. Like the speed is like this. I will just read here. Speaking is main problem or reading is main problem. This is the way we used to speak in real PT exam. If you are speaking like this, speaking is main problem or reading is main problem, then your if your voice is not that much clear or your pronunciation is not that much clear, then you will be getting less marks than your friend, comparison of your friend. So fluency is means you have to talk continuous. Okay, don't stop in middle. You have to talk in, you have to speak continuous. It is the main thing. People are being confused because fluency means not speaking fast, it means speaking continuous. If you are slow also, speak continuously. You can see here speaking is main problem. This is continuous. I did not spoke fast, I did not spoke slow. It is moderate. Or reading is main problem. It is okay. If you get some tough word in between, okay, then you used to get stuck and used to read further, then the marks will be deducted. That is the main algorithm. Okay, speaking is main problem or reading is main problem. Like I just stuck here in problem. If this word is so difficult for you, then just skip. Speaking is main or reading is main problem. This is the correct way. Okay guys, you don't have to pronounce that particular word. After skipping also you will be getting full marks. Your marks will not be deducted. I am giving you guarantee because I have attempted my exam like this way only. Now in fluency you got the idea. The fluency plays great role in speaking, and many of them they used to do mistake in speaking only in fluency. If you are describing image also, don't go too fast. Many of the students they used to do mistake like, in this picture I can see, in this picture I can see, in this picture I can see trees, in this picture I can see skies. The picture is very beautiful. In this speed you can't talk there. You don't have to speak this much speed. Otherwise your marks will be what can I say? Your marks will be deducted at high range and you will be getting so less marks on describe image. Then you are speaking marks will be also less in overall. Okay guys, so be sure about that. You have to maintain the moderate speed or fast speed or slow speed. I will not recommend to speak fast because maximum of the students had got less marks in speaking fast, because some of the students they have good vocal, they have good pronunciation, though so they used to speak fast, then they used to get much more marks. But in your case, you have to think yourself you are different than others, then you have to prepare by your own way. Now I have just noted down fluency, okay, in speaking. Now fast speaking is there, continuous speaking, okay, speak continuous, okay. I just have to stop in full stop also, stop in this question marks also, stop those type of words, okay. Just take a simple stop. Now after that I just want to show you that some templates, okay. You have to use some templates in writing essay. Don't be over smart and write by yourself. You will be getting so less marks, because if you do much more grammar mistake, then you will be getting so less marks. If you use template, then you will be getting 8 out of 10, oh sorry, 8 out of 10, or you will be getting 7 out of 10, but you will not be getting less than 6. If you write essay by yourself, then you will be getting less, or you can get 9 out of 10 also, 10 out of 10 also, by using essay template. Okay guys, you just use essay template. There will be some topic, you have to change the topic, the way the essay template will be written there, and you just have to change the topic in place of that. Okay guys, and I will be providing this all information in next video, like reading, writing, speaking and listening. I will be making all videos in different part, then you can get from there, otherwise this video will be so long. And another thing is reading, okay. If you think you are bad in reading, just improve your speaking, otherwise your marks will be deducted in reading also. You can get minimum marks by just qualification. I think like speaking is not here, okay. Now here is dash dash, sorry, it is like this is the blank, and you will be getting some words. Then you just have to think what can be there. Speaking is main problem, like that. Speaking are, we cannot say are. Speaking the, we cannot say the. If there is, then you can put here is. You just have to think this like only, and then just guess the answer. The question will be not so hard in PTE. Some of the question you will be getting so easy, some of the question you will be getting medium level, and some question tough level. So it is balanced in that way, and your luck depends on that. If your luck is so good, then you will be getting all the questions easy also. If your luck is bad, then you will be getting some questions tough, not all questions tough, because in every PTE exam the easy question and medium question and hard or tough question is arranged according to algorithm. Now I will just talk about this listening and writing, okay. Writing, you don't have to do anything guys, you just have to use the template, you will be getting enough marks. And listening also, you just have to listen. Those fill in the blanks is so important in listening. I think you can do it, it is not so tough. Don't waste your time in that reorder paragraph or this all in reading. Or another thing also is there, multiple choice question, it contains less marks. I just skipped multiple choice question, then also I am getting good marks. And I just want to say the reasons I have told you here in speaking, okay. Describe image, you have to control your speed. Retell lecture, you will be doing mistake in this, I am sure. You can check your marks after PTE exam also, your result will be coming there, and you can see all the skills different way, and you can find out these two things. You will be getting less marks because you did not maintain the same speed in every sections, okay. Describe image, retell lecture, maintain speed, don't go so fast. Okay, now another thing, okay, maintain speed. Another thing, yeah, you can speak slow also. Speaking is main problem or reading is main problem. The way I have talked right now, the speed is okay. You will be getting more marks in this also. Main points I have just noted down here. Fluency, I will be explaining all the reading in next video, and I will be proving you how you can get more marks in reading also. I have just explained detail of speaking because maximum students they used to face so much difficulty in speaking. Your voice is different guys, and you have to prepare differently, otherwise you are not going to get more marks. And use template in everything like describe image, retail lecture and other things also, but you have to maintain your speed in every component same. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching my video. I will be sharing some more information in next video, how I got these marks in every part of the video. Like there will be 4 video, and each and every video I will be explaining every components in short time.